Hi guys! So this is the beginning of the RV renovations. So today I am cleaning. Yesterday I put some carpet odor eliminator, and then now it's vacuum time. So there's my cleaning. Well, just a little bit of vacuuming so the kids don't start sneezing. Okay, I gotta do that again. My phone battery died. So that's a little bit of vacuuming in the RV so that when the kids start working or helping us do stuff in here, they don't start sneezing. Well, they didn't really yesterday, but just want to get a bit of the dirt and dust out of here. Until our next video, subscribe and like. Bye!